Hey guys, it's me. Just recording a video for you guys today. So today, as you saw in the photo, I have a Kit Kat flavor that's from Japan, and the Candy Funhouse. I ordered it from them. So it's interesting. I've never seen it in Canada before, so or the US for that matter. I have never seen this flavor, but I know they have lots of flavors. Anyways, so I'm opening it. So they're mini. Oh, and you can write your name on it or something. Wow, that's really interesting. I don't know if anybody can read that. Or this. I can't at all. So, I mean, I suppose it's going to be a Kit Kat. It's a mini Kit Kat, but it's like dark chocolate, but strawberry on top. It definitely smells good. It reminds me of Nesquik. The strawberry one, that is. That was good. So, you know, if you want, you can go to Candy Funhouse and buy that if you want. It's very good. I don't know, there might be other, I think there's, I'm not sure, but Tokyo Treats does it too. And that's a company based in the US. This is a company based in Canada. So it might be a bit easier to, if you're in the US, to order from an American company because it's further away. But yeah, I still say go there because they have great stuff, and I know the company. So yeah. So guys, thanks for coming to watch the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Maybe comment other Kit Kat flavors that you want me to try. And I'll see if I can get my hands on them. And hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thanks so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.